Okay, my name is Regina Florence, and the video that I'm doing today, I'm going to show you how to simplify algebraic expressions using number or math blocks. So I'm going to move my camera down so you can see. Okay. These are the number blocks that I'm going to be using. I've made ones and negative numbers also, and negative ones. I have x's and negative x's. Also have x squared and negative x squared to simplify the the algebraic expressions that I made. So I made several of these, and I'm going to show you how to simplify these using these math blocks. So the first thing that you do is you take one quotient out of your equation, 2x. And what I do is I take two of my math blocks, two of the x's. This makes 2x plus 4. So I take 4 of my 1 blocks. And I put these here. And then I take 3 more of my x blocks. There's 1, 2, 3. And then I have 2 more ones. So when you get all of your blocks laid out, you count how many of each blocks that you have. So I have 5 x blocks and I have 6 ones. So my simplified answer for this algebraic expression is 5x. Since all of these are plus, I have 5x plus 6. So my simplified answer would be 5x plus 6. Now to move on to another equation, this is 4x plus 4 minus 2x minus 1. So like my other one, I first start with 4 x's plus 4 ones minus 2 x's. So I would grab my negative x's, or let's do it this way. Well, no, my negative x's, and I put those below my x's, and then minus 1. So I use my minus 1 block, and I put those under there. So when you have negative x's or negative numbers, these two cancel out two of your x blocks. So those go away. Same way is here. This one negative 1 would cancel out one of these, so you take those away. So your simplified expression for 4x plus 4 minus 2x minus 1, your answer would be 2x plus, And since your highest number has a positive in front of it, plus 3. So your simplified expression will be 2x plus 3. Okay. Let's move on to another one, another type. Here is 2x minus 1 plus, hang on. This is supposed to be squared, and this is supposed to be squared. Okay. So what we're simplifying on this expression is 2x squared minus 1 plus x squared plus 2. So you start out with your 2x squared. So here are my x squared blocks. Minus 1, so I use my minus 1, plus another x squared, plus 2. So then I'll have plus 2. So all of these are positive, so all 3 of those stay. This is a negative and 2 positive, so this will cancel out. So your remaining blocks, you have 3x squared plus 1. Since this is a positive block, 3x squared plus 1 is your simplified answer to this expression. Okay? So let's try another one. This expression is 3x minus 4 minus 4x minus x squared plus 2. Now to simplify this one, same thing, you start with your first quotient. It's 3x. So I get 3 of my x blocks minus 4. So I use my negative blocks. There's minus 4 minus 4x. So I use my negative x. I have 4 of those. Minus x squared plus 2. Okay, so now you need to kind of combine these. So let's start with the negative x. You put that first. And then I have 3 positive x's, 4 negative x. So these, you take 3 out of these, out of the negatives, to offset, to cancel out the positives. So those go away. So you're left with a negative x. And then you have 4 negative ones and 2 positive. So the 2 positive will cancel out 2 of the negatives, and you are left with 2 negatives. So the answer, the simplified answer to 3x minus 4 minus 4x minus x squared plus 2 is negative x squared minus x minus 2. That is your simplified answer. Okay. And we will try another. 4x minus 2x plus 3 minus 4. So So here are your 4 x's minus 2x. This one should be fairly easy. Minus 2x plus 3 minus 4. So now you just simplify. The 2 negatives will cancel out 2 of the positives. 3 of the positives and 3 of the negatives will cancel out. So you are left with 2x minus 1. That is your simplified answer to 4x minus 2x plus 3 minus 4. Okay, one more. Okay. This is x squared minus x plus 5 minus x squared plus 1. So take your first x squared minus x squared minus x plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus x squared. I'm going to have to kind of group them up here so I'll have enough room and can keep everything in view. It's minus x squared minus another x squared minus 1. Okay, so now you group them. Positive x squared minus x squared cancels out. You only have one x, so that stays. Well, you also have a negative x squared and then a negative x. You have 1 negative 1, 5 positives, so these 2 cancel out, and you are left with 4. So your answer, I think I have that upside down. So your answer to x squared minus x plus 5 minus x squared minus 1 is negative x squared minus x plus 4. Since these are positive, it's plus 4. So that is your simplified answer to this equation.